students, myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed, ZBC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic composition and properties of nucleic acid. Composition of nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are substances with high molecular weight. They are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay, nitrogen is from 15 to 16 percentage, while phosphorus is from 9 to 10 percentage. On hydrolysis with either an enzyme or by heating with dilute acids or alkaline, nucleic acid yield a group of compound known as nucleotides. Okay, nucleic acids, nucleotides, phosphoric acids and nucleosides. Nucleosides, sugar ribose or deoxyribose, purine and pyrimidine. Purine means guanine and adenine, and pyrimidine means cytosine, uracil and thymine. Kinds of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are of following types: DNA deoxyribose nucleic acids, found only inside the nucleus of the cell, contain the organism's genetic informations, including instructions for how to make proteins. Okay. Next, RNA ribonucleic acid, found both inside the and outside of the nucleus, directs the building of proteins. Next, polypeptides are the building blocks of nucleic acids, right? Properties of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are insoluble in alcohol, slightly soluble in cold water, but readily dissolve in hot water, and dilute alkyls, forming alkali salts. Fusion test differentiates the DNA from RNA if the deoxyribose sugar is present and color is and red color is produced with the dyes. Ribose sugar do not exhibit this reaction. Hydrolysis of nucleic acids give nucleotides, which can be considered the unit that make up the polymers. A nucleotide consists of three parts: heterocyclic base, sugar and phosphoric acids. Okay, first, sugar. The sugar in nucleotides and so in nucleic acid is a pentose sugar. In RNA and its nucleotides, the sugar is ribose, whereas in DNA and its nucleotides it is deoxyribose. Nucleotides can be hydrolyzed to yield nucleosides and phosphoric acids. Heterocyclic bases present in nucleic acids are divided into two types: purines and pyrimidines. The two purines present both DNA and RNA, adenine and guanine. The pyrimidine cytosine is present in both DNA and RNA, whereas thymine is found in DNA only and uracil is found in RNA only. Okay. The pyrimidines is the six-membered heterocyclic rings containing two nitrogen atoms. Three important derivatives of pyrimidines found in nucleic acids are thymine, cytosine and uracil. Other important compounds containing pyrimidines are thiamine, Vitamin B1. The purines, the purine found in nucleic acids are derivatives of the substance purine that does not occur naturally, as indicated by their structures adenine and guanine. Okay, DNA are very long molecules with specific sequence of the for principal bases adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine ATGC. The two chains of the helix are coiled to allow the proper hydrogen bonding. They are complementary in terms of appropriate pairing. A pairing to T and C pairing to G. Nucleotides and nucleosides. Nucleotides are the building block of the nucleic acids. Nucleotides have a distinctive structures composed of three components covalently bound together: a nitrogen containing base, second a 5 carbon sugar, and third a phosphate group. The combination of a base and sugar is called a nucleoside. The nucleoside also exists in activated forms containing 2 or 3 phosphates called nucleotide diphosphates or nucleotide triphosphates. If the sugar in a nucleotide is deoxyribose, the nucleotide is called a deoxyribonucleotide. If the sugar is ribose, the term ribonucleotide is used. The structure of a nucleotide is depicted below. The structure of the structure on the left deoxyguanosine depict the base sugar and phosphate moieties. In comparison, the structure on the right has an extra hydroxyl group on the 2 carbon of ribose, making it a ribonucleotides, riboguanosine or just guanosine. Okay, thank you.